What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing great. Like always, I'm in a good mood. I hope you are too. If not, I hope this video and this good ass energy will make it better. You feel me? If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Other than that, let's just dive right into the video. I'm excited. So today I want to try and make like a dark beat. I already got laps loaded up and my tempo at 130, and we're just going to see what we're feeling. I kind of want to make like something in the style of like Southside, so I'm going to search for like a nice guitar sound or harp sound inside of labs just to create like a little bounce and then go from there. So let's get it. I got the minor harmonic scale loaded up as well. It really gives like that dark vibe to it. I got this guitar loaded up, I got this string loaded up, and then I also got this pad loaded up. That is sounding cold, bro. It's sounding really like Avengers Endgame type of stuff, bro. Like this is crazy. I'm going to add like another layer to it for like some chords, maybe to add like some extra atmosphere and vibes to it. But other than that, bro, I'm loving it. I just speed up the tempo a little bit and add like a snare to it. I want like a really like dirty snare. Alright, let's add some roast to this because it's sounding super fire. It's crazy, bro. This beat is crazy. I'm fucking loving it. I hope you are enjoying the video. If you are, leave a like, leave a comment, and let's continue by adding this sound and structuring the beat. So let's get it. Too crazy this beat. I really love the vibe. There's like so much room for an artist like to go crazy on it, and it's like also rather like calm vibes, but the beat is just like knocking super hard. That's what I really love about this beat. Like the contrast between like the calmness and with like the hard knocking drums is just crazy to me. But I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Would appreciate that. This tutorial really is like something different other than like the other type of tutorials, because it shows you how to make like more movie and cinematic wise type of stuff, like some Hans Zimmer type of shit, you feel me? Other than that, bro, make sure to follow me on Instagram at @SkanaBeats. Thank you so much for watching, and now we'll see you in the next video.